Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to work with live photos in relation to Instacart shopping, follow this quick guide. Note that Instacart is primarily a grocery delivery app, so this guide focuses on managing photos you take while shopping. Step 1. Open the Instacart Shopper app on your iPhone if you're an Instacart shopper, as this is where photo features are most relevant. Step 2. When shopping for an order, you may need to take photos of items, replacements, or delivery confirmations. Step 3. Access your iPhone's camera settings by going to Settings, then Camera, to manage live photo settings. Step 4. Toggle Live Photos, on or off, depending on whether you want to capture short video clips with your photos. Step 5. When taking photos within the Instacart app, the app typically uses your phone's default camera settings. Step 6. If you want to disable live photos specifically for Instacart shopping photos to save storage space, turn off live photos before opening the camera. Step 7. Take photos of items or replacements as required by the customer through the Instacart app interface. Step 8. To manage live photos you've already taken, open your iPhone's Photos app and navigate to the Live Photos album. Step 9. Select any live photo and tap Edit, then tap the live photo icon to convert it to a still photo if desired. Step 10. Regularly review and delete unnecessary photos from your photo library to free up storage space. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.